Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at POET, this is Poet Technologies. You see on Friday this stock dropped by 7.14%, but the question going into this week now is what are we looking at and what can we actually expect from the week ahead? Well, whilst nobody can say for sure, and whilst I am not a financial advisor, I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions going into this next week. If it does sound like a good episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel as it does help me out a lot. Now I've said that, let's jump straight in. Now really I want to start off by acknowledging the trend that we're seeing here over the past month or so. Through late September into October, we see this stock of course rocketing quite a lot. We were right down in the 540 range, and then we saw highs around 930, so the stock was really up around double, right? Now we've seen the stock of course fall quite a bit. Still up overall by a lot in the mid-term, but in the short term it feels like the stock is down huge. Now I think this is absolutely important when factoring in everything that we are looking at. Despite that, we have seen the stock drop below levels that we wanted to see hold, levels like 745, and again it does appear that we are beginning to potentially form a new level of support. So very much watch this level around here, this $7 range, maybe $7 on the dot, maybe the $6.99, $6.98 for a potential hold. At the same time, zoom into the 5-day and one thing stands out. Towards the late part of the day, we actually saw a big red candle, so this could indicate more red to potentially come. And if we zoom out to the past month again, we can see that RSI is now touching on oversold. So again, we are at a point now where we could be seeing a support soon or even now, but again, it does all depend. Next levels, if we do begin to fall to the downside, 660 I'm looking at 650, 645. I'm then looking at levels all the way down at 620, 625 and 630. If we begin to drop below $6 on the dot, things become extremely concerning, but again that is quite far off. I'm just saying if that is the case, I do become a bit more worried. Now in terms of breaking to the upside, 725 is the first level. I'm then looking up to 740, 745, then 750. These could all be levels of great difficulty as we have seen recently. Past that you see a number such as 780, potentially 790, 795, $8 of course being a key one, then you've got 845. With all being said though, with all of these key levels highlighted, my main objective into this upcoming week is to really see this stock begin to consolidate and ultimately move upwards. I want to see it hold these strong levels to the downside that we could be potentially about to form. I want to see it hold in or around historical levels of support as I mentioned. If we can do this, then I think a few things will happen. The RSI will come back up to neutral, which will be a technically good indicator. We will be at a point where again we are seeing consistent growth and realistically stability forming in the stock and building that next level of support for the next possible push to the upside. Of course, time will tell whether that actually plays out, and I'll be giving you guys updates as time does go on. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and again let me know your personal thoughts down in the comment section. Thank you for your time, goodbye for now.